If you're seeing a Monday.com error when adding or inviting a user, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your workspace without the frustration. This usually happens because of a temporary browser issue, a weak internet connection, an extension conflict, a permission problem, or even an invite limit on your account. So let's go through each fix in order, starting with the simplest one. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, refresh the page. A simple reload can clear temporary glitches in Monday.com and often resolves invite errors right away. If the page still isn't responding properly after refreshing, move on to the next step. Open a new tab and check your internet speed. In your browser, search for speed test and run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, Monday.com may fail while loading user permissions or sending the invite. If possible, switch networks or reconnect and try again. Next, disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with Monday.com's invite and user management features. In your browser, click the three dots in the top corner. Go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions, then return to Monday.com and try adding the user again. This step fixes a lot of login and invitation issues because Monday.com relies on scripts that extensions may block. If the issue still isn't fixed, check your Monday.com permissions. Sometimes the problem isn't the invite itself, it's that your account doesn't have the correct admin access to manage users. Go to Monday.com, click your profile picture, then look for Admin. From there, open Directory, then Users, and finally, User Roles. Make sure your account has permission to invite and manage users. If you're not an admin, you may need to ask someone with admin access to complete the invite for you or adjust your role settings. Now check the email address and account limits. Make sure the invite email is spelled correctly and is a valid address that can actually receive invitations. A small typo can cause the invite to fail or go nowhere. Also, check whether your Monday.com plan has reached its user limit. If your account is already at the maximum number of users allowed, Monday.com may block new invitations until a seat is available. In that case, remove an unused user or upgrade your plan if needed. After each fix, try inviting the user again so you can identify which step resolved the issue. In many cases, one of these 5 steps will solve the problem immediately. Refresh the page, test your internet speed, disable extensions, verify permissions, and confirm the email plus user limits. Working through them in this order saves time and helps you avoid guessing. Once the invite works, you should be able to add the user normally and continue managing your Monday.com workspace. If this video helps you fix the Monday.com user invite error, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another Monday.com issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.